Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to lesson 149 in arithmetic. Today we're going to review some equations. Remember that in order to find what y is, we need to start with the other side. And 7 times 8 is 56. We rewrite the problem y minus 21. And the way to get that y by itself is to do the opposite of take away 21. We have to add 21. Very good. When we add 21 and we subtract 21, that cancels each other out. What we do on one side, we must do to the other. So we have y equals 56 plus 21. When we add 21 plus 56, we get 77. We box that answer and we check. We rewrite the problem. Y take away 21 equals 7 times 8. That should be a multiplication sign. I apologize for that. 7 times 8. Wherever we see the y, we write in our answer 77. So we would have 7 times 8 is 56, and 77 minus 21. 77 minus 21 equals 56, and 56 equals 56. Let's try one more. K plus 9 equals 56 minus 8. 56 minus 8 equals 48, and K plus 9, the way to get K by itself is to do the opposite, which is subtract 9. And what we do to one side, we must do to the other. So 9 plus 9 and minus 9 cancels each other out, and you're left with K. K equals 48 minus 9. 48 minus 9 equals, good, 39. So now our answer is K equals 39. We need to check to make sure. Rewrite the problem. 56 minus 8 equals 48. And K, which we got our answer was 39, replace the K with 39, and 39 plus 9 equals 48. 48 plus 4 equals 48. And that's our answer. So today we're going to review our parentheses. Remember that we talked a little bit about this before, but whenever we see parentheses, those curved lines around a few of the digits, we need to do what's in there first. Now, it doesn't matter which order we do it, but as long as we do what's in the parentheses first. There's 2 sets of parentheses, so we can do it either way. We can do 12 divided by 2 first, or we can do 4 times 3 first, but we do those parentheses before, so we wouldn't do 12 minus 12. Okay, you have to do the parentheses first. So in this case, we did 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And then we did 4 times 12. Like I said, you could do those the other way around. Do 4 times 3 first. And then we're going to bring down our 12 and bring down our subtraction sign and bring down our plus sign. Then we bring down our equal sign. Now we can go from left to right. 12 minus 6 equals 6, and 6 plus 12 equals 18. Very good. But remember, the key rule here is do what's in the parentheses first. All right, let's get another one. 75 plus 2 times 5 minus 8 times 10. So let's do what the parentheses say first. 2 times 5 is 10, and 8 times 10 is 80. Now bring down all the other information. 75 plus 10 minus 80 equals. What's 75 plus 10? 85. 85 minus 80? 5. Very good. So your answer is 5. Let's do one more. Now, in this case, everything is put into the parentheses, that set of parentheses. So there's 2 sets. We'll start with the first one. 100 divided by 10 equals 10. 3 times 3 equals 9. And then we bring down the plus sign. And then we bring down the equal sign. And 10 plus 9 equals 19. Very, very good. Excellent. So remember our key rule, just do the parentheses first. All right, boys and girls, we're going to talk a little bit about elapsed time. Let's think about this. It's 1/4 till 3. 1/4 till 3. Think about what 1/4 till 3 is. Okay, it's 1/4 till 3. That means it's not 3 yet. It's 1/4 till. What's 1/4 of a clock or 1/4 of an hour? 15 minutes. So it says a quarter till, that means in 15 minutes, it's going to be 3 o'clock. So what time is it now? 2:45. Very good. Now, here's what's going to happen. We're going to talk about elapsed time. That's time that has passed. We're going to see time that has passed and find out what time it is now. 12 minutes later from a quarter till 3. What time is it now? Remember we said it's 2:45. 12 minutes have passed. What time is it now? Well, it's 2:45 plus 12 minutes. Good. Very good. It's 12:57. Very, very good. You added 12 minutes from the 45. 12 minutes is 57. Good job. Let's try another one. Half past, I think I should take out that till. Half past 10, it should say. Half past 10. A lot of typos here. Sorry about that, boys and girls. Half past 10. What is half past 10? What time is it? When I say half past 10, what's a half of an hour? 30 minutes. Therefore, what is half past 10? 10:30. And what is 20 minutes later? If I lapse 20 minutes go by, what time is it now? Very, very good. It's 10:50. Excellent. One more. A quarter after 7. A quarter after 7. We've learned that quarter means 15 minutes and it's after 7. So what time is it? 7:15. Very good. And how 12 minutes later? 7:15, 12 minutes later. What time is it now? Excellent. You guys are so smart. 7:27. 12 minutes later is 7:27. Excellent job. Multiplication with carrying. Now we did this a little bit. We're also now going to do this where we're going to have to carry 2 times. Okay. We've done it where we had to carry 1 time. Now we're going to have to carry 2 times. Let's start off here. 8 times 4 equals 32. Put down your 2 and carry the 3. I put a little plus sign so we remember that we have to add it back in. We can't just put it up there. We have to add it back in. Now, 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3, 11. Very good. Now, what I did was I'm going to erase that plus 3 because I'm going to need that spot, but I didn't erase it, so to say. I cross it out. So I know I'm not going to add that 3 anymore. Now I'm going to multiply 8 times 3. What is 8 times 3? 24. I forgot to remind you, put that 0 because we're multiplying by the tens column. So 8 times 3 is 24. Put the 4 down, carry the plus 2. Plus 2 is going to be added when we multiply 2 times 3, and that's 6. Now we plus 2 is 8. Very good. And when we add those 2 numbers, what are those 2 numbers called? Do you remember? Partial products. That's right. We need to get a final product. 112 plus 840 equals? Good. 2, 5, 9. 952. Very, very good. All right, let's try another one. 46 times 54. 6 times 4 is 24. Put the 4 down, carry the 2. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 2, 18. Very good. Now we can cross out that 2. We've already added it in where it needs to go. So cross it out. Now we're going to multiply by the tens digit, that 5. Remember to put your 0 into the ones column. When you do that, you know that you're multiplying by 50 and not by 5, right? So let's start with the beginning. 6 times 5 is 30. Put the 0 down, carry the 3. And 4 times 5 equals 20. Plus 3 is 23. What are those 2 numbers called? 184 and 2300? Partial products. Very good. Add them together and you should get 2,484. Excellent. One last problem. Whoops. 37 times 44. 7 times 4 is 28. Put the 8 down. Carry the 2. 3 times 4 equals 12 plus 2 equals 14. Good. Put your 0 down after you cancel out that 2. Put your 0 down to hold your space to know that you are multiplying by 40 and not really by 4. 7 times 4 is 28. Put your 8 down. Carry the 2. 3 times 4 equals 12. Plus 2 is 14. All right. Now these two partial products, we add them together and we get an answer of 1,628. That's your final answer. All right, boys and girls, this is on your worksheet today. I wanted to go over a few of these. I wanted you to know when we read numbers, we read them in words, and then we need to put them into number form. So we have this written form, 593,062. Now remember, when we say thousands, we write comma. When we say millions, we write comma. So 593,000. Can we write that? 593,000. Okay, so then you have a comma. And 62. Did I say anything about a hundreds place? No. So you need to put a 0 there. So this is what it will look like. 593,062. You need your 0 in the hundreds place. All right, next one, 2,800,000. 2,800,000. Remember what I said, millions, comma, thousands, comma. So we have 2,000,000, 2, comma. Do we have any 100,000? No. 10,000? No. 1,000? No. So all of those numbers need to have a 0. How about when I say 1,000, you put comma. Then we have 800. This is how it should look. I hope you got that one right, boys and girls. Remember to keep practicing that. Again, when I say thousands, you write a comma. When I say millions, you write a comma. That's where your place values should be. Write the number of bills and coins needed. We need $77.23. How many $10 bills do I need? Good, 7. How many $5 bills will I need? 1 $5 bill. If I got two $5 bills, then it would be $80, and that's too much. So you only need 1. Now, so now we're at $75. How many dollar bills? 2. So now we're at $77. Now we need some change. How many quarters do I need? Good, 0, because if I had quarter, that's 25 cents. That's too much. 0. How many dimes do I need? Excellent. 2 dimes, that's 20 cents. How many nickels? 0. Very good. That would be 25, and that said that's too much already. How many pennies? 3. Excellent job. All right, boys and girls, we have completed your lesson for today. You're going to finish this worksheet, pages 297 and 298, and we will see you back for lesson 150 on Monday. You guys have a great afternoon.